Hello everyone and welcome. So I have recently started back my keto diet and really wanted to incorporate fruit back into my diet because fruit is vitally important. And I know on the keto diet you do have to be cautious because fruit can be very high in sugar. But here are some recipes that I want to share with you that have allowed me to eat fruit and have made it exciting and enjoyable. It makes me feel like I'm eating a regular dessert. So today we're gonna have blueberry swirl cheesecake bars, a strawberry cheesecake, and of course a strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Gotta have ice cream. Okay, so first, the cheesecake bars. What it is basically you're using an almond crust. So you want to make sure you have almond flour. The rest of these ingredients you should have in your pantry, except for a keto-friendly sweetener. Okay, so with the crust, it's going to be a lemon crust, and you want to make sure you have the powdered sweetener of your choice, your almond flour, and then all of the other ingredients that are listed here. Now for your blueberry topping, obviously blueberries. You want to have a little bit more of that sweetener because you want to cook them and break them down so that they're sweetened just a touch. Now we're going to move on to our strawberry cheesecake. All right, so basically a simple cheesecake. Again, you want to use your powdered sweetener of choice. This recipe calls for allulose, and then cream cheese and everything else that you would expect to be in a cheesecake. Okay, we're gonna break down how to go and make the crust. So you wanna make sure that you have your butter, and basically you're going to mix all of the ingredients listed together for the crust. You're going to bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then you're gonna go ahead and move on to the cheesecake filling, which is listed here. You want to just cool it in the fridge though, remember that, for about 24 hours. Okay, next is the cheesecake sauce, your typical strawberry sauce. You want to cook it down. First you want to blend it, then you want to cook it down, and then you want to add some sweetener to it and set it aside to cool. And now your sour cream topping. Very simple. You're just going to sweeten it with your sweetener of choice, and then you're going to go ahead and add it to the top of your cool cheesecake. And this is the fun part. You want to slice your strawberries. You want to drizzle the top with your strawberry sauce, and you just want to decorate it and make it really, really pretty. Last but not least, strawberry cheesecake. Okay, this has chunks of cheesecake in it. If you look at the ingredients listed here, you'll have a cheesecake base, a strawberry ripple, and then you'll have your ice cream base. It is so divine. You guys need to try this. You will thank me. Actually, leave it all in the comments. I have to hear how you feel about this. All right, so your cheesecake base, obviously you're gonna need the cream cheese, and you're gonna preheat the oven. Your sweetener of choice, and then you're going to bake it for about 15 minutes. Your strawberry ripple, again, we have the strawberries, we have the sweetener of choice, and then you're going to just gently mash everything together and then wait until it's cool. Now with the ice cream, you want to mix your heavy cream. You can use coconut cream. I have thought about using coconut cream. I haven't tried it, but it should work just fine. They're interchangeable. And then you want to mix everything together and enjoy, everyone. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye. See you next time.